Welcome to my channel Graphic Designer. Today we learn the selection tool and rectangle tool. For the selection tool first, we draw a rectangle for the easy learning. The selection tool is used for moving the object where you want, and when we select the rectangle in the corner, the dots have appeared. When we select the dots and push into the center, the rectangle corner is converted into circle. And when we select the dots and push out from the center, the rectangle corner is convert into corner. And when we select an item and move the selection tool a little away from it, the rotate option appears. From this option we rotate the object.